Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm coming to you guys with Make a Mix Monday. However, this one is going to be a little different. I am not putting up make a mixes because I actually have been working on some glitter mixes and I didn't want to have to put out all of them as a make a mix. So today I'm just offering the mixes themselves in a bundle. I am asking $12.50 for this bundle, $12.50 shipped. And let me show you, a lot of them are going to be 4th of July themed. It's what I've really been working on, and I will be putting them up in my Etsy later on today. So if you would like to just get them from there, you may do so. However, the pricing may be a little bit different on there. Okay, so let's go ahead and get straight to it. For the 4th of July ones, I numbered them because there are 6 and I didn't want to name them all, so they're just numbered as 1 through 6, and you're always welcome to get the whole bundle or you can request just the ones that you like. So let me go ahead and start with number 1 if I can find it. I don't even remember which one was number 1. Number 1 is a holographic one, just this one here. It's very holographic, as you can see. Really pretty. And I do have swatches for these. But there is micro tinsel in this one. Let me see if I can get a close-up of what's in it. It's not too chunky, so really pretty. Okay, so this is going to be number 1, and the swatch for that one is going to be this one here. You can see there. Let me see if it focuses on it. That one is number 1. Really pretty. Okay, so there's that one. I may eventually name them. I just haven't done so yet. So right now they're just numbers. So, but I will see when I put them up on Etsy. Okay, second one is this one here. This one is more of a darker one. It's red and blue with white stars. Really tiny little white stars. Okay, white stars. They're really small and they're just kind of speckled in there, as you can see. And that one is number 2. Also very holographic. Very pretty. And the swatch for that one is this one here. It's going to be your number 2. Okay. And then we have number 3, which is a white one, and that is this one here. And this has red and blue little dots in there. I don't know if it's pulling up darker than what it should, the little speckles, but they are blue. Okay, they're holographic blue and red in there. And I used opals and some matte whites and stuff. And it's really, really pretty. And number 3 is going to be this one right here. This one here. You can kind of see it better right there. That is number 3. Okay, and then we have number 4, which is in extra fine. It's all extra fine, but it does have some holographic in there, and it has blue and red. As you can see there, it is all extra fine, nothing chunky in here, and it does have a really pretty holographic and pretty shimmer effect to it. So that's that one. one is number 4. And the swatch for that one is this one here. You can see the blue and red speckles in there. Really pretty. Okay, that's number 4. Number 5, I have this one here. Also a darker one. This one has also stars. This one's a little bit of a chunkier one. And that one is 4. I'm sorry, 5. And the swatch for that one is going to be this one here. It does have some of the bigger hollowed out stars. They look really pretty in there. So that is that one there. Really pretty. Okay, that's number 5. And then the last 4th of July one is number 6, which is this one right here. Another really pretty one. This one has mostly just tinsel in it, and it has a lot of like mirror effect and extra fine in it, so it's very, very reflective. Okay, so that's number 6. It's really pretty. And the swatch for this one is going to be this one here. It's really pretty. Alright, so those are the 6 I have for the 4th of July. And then I also have 3 other ones where, well, one's kind of 4th of July because it's, I called this one She's a Firecracker, and I kind of based it on fireworks. You know, just the dark sky, the fireworks, firecrackers, all that stuff. So this one is also a 4th of July one, but it's not red, white, and blue. It's more based, again, on fireworks. And that is this one. It's really pretty. And it has the bejeweled stars in there. The sparkle stars. And this one is called She's a Firecracker. Okay, this one does have a name. As you can see there, that's how much I made. Oh, it's really pretty. I'm hoping you guys can catch that. A lot of dark colors and then a lot of rainbow colors in there. Okay, and then the swatch for this one is going to be this one right here. And it does have little stars in there, and then it has the 4-point stars in there as well. That's that one. It's really pretty. Okay, so that one is She's a Firecracker. And then I also did a yellow mix for someone on Etsy. And I made a lot of it so I can put it up on Etsy. But she ordered an ounce of it, and it's a custom order that she requested. And this one has little yellow butterflies in it, but it's pretty fine other than that. And that's this one here. And this one I just called Summer Mornings. And you can see the little butterflies in there. And it has yellow and white, kind of the mirror effect kind of the white iridescent, as well as a little touch of peach in there. So it came out really, really pretty. And this one, the swatch for this one is going to be this one here. And you can see the little butterflies in there. It's really pretty. And then the last swatch is going to be the cake pop that I did, which is this one here. It's on my nails, but I did a swatch of it because I didn't build my whole nail with this. All I did was did a very light coat after I did my nails. So I did a very thin layer, but if you were to do a full sculpted nail, it would come out like this. And people were asking me for a swatch of it. So this is my cake pop one right here. Okay, so that's that one. It's really, really pretty. This is what it would look like if you did the full nail. See how I just have a thin layer on mine's? Just very lightly. Okay, if you were to do a whole nail, it would look like this. So again, I do have more of this. This is my ½ ounce. Okay, the ounce that I'm selling is bigger than this. This is a ½ ounce. This is my personal one that I used for myself and mixed for myself, but I have a full ounce. If anyone's interested in a full ounce of it, let me know. I can add it to your bundle. But this bundle here, I know I said it was 9, but it's actually 8. And the 9th mix is going to be a mix of my choice. So it will be a random mix sent with all of these that I just showed you. Alright, so again, you are going to get a full tablespoon. I'm going to give everybody a full tablespoon for the $12.50 shipped. It's going to be a full tablespoon of all of them. So you're getting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You're going to get 8 plus 1 random one that I'm going to throw in there for you guys. And it's going to be a newer mix that I worked on also, but I wanted to keep it a surprise. So that one will also be included. So you will get a total of 9 mixes for $12.50 shipped. And if you would like to add an ounce of the cake pop, definitely let me know. And I will give you a set price for all of it if you want it added to your bundle. Alright, so that is it, guys. That is what I have been working on. Questions, comments, you can leave them below. And until next time, I hope everyone enjoys the rest of their week. Bye.